jumbo spring twist in less than 2 hours? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I got these super cute jumbo spring twists. Less than 2 hours. 5 packs a pair, super affordable from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Stay tuned. So again, this is jumbo spring twist that I did using some hair that I got from Amazon. This is the 8-inch spring twist hair in the color 1B. This is what the twist look like. This is what I have left out of the 5 packs that I used. So I used 5 strands for each of the twists. I have 16 twists in my hair, and let me give you a quick 360. Absolutely loving these twists. So let me show you exactly what I did to achieve this look. Keep watching. And here are the final results. So obsessed with spring twists, and these jumbo spring twists literally took me less than 2 hours. Absolutely loving this style. Let me know what you think in the description box below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.